Hi there, students. Dash. This is a word with a whole host of meanings. We can use it as a verb and a noun, and there are lots of them. Firstly, to dash, to go somewhere quickly. He's been dashing around all day. He's been rushing from place to place. He dashed after the bus. Would you dash after the postman? He's leaving, but see if you can catch him. See if you can make it. Okay, so to dash, to go quickly. Very often we use the phrase, I must dash. I must leave. I must go. I must leave rapidly. Yeah, I've got lots of things to do. I must dash. This is a way to end a conversation. Look, I'm sorry, I can't chat. I must dash. I must race off. I must zoom off. To dash, to hit something with force. He dashed the bottle against the wall. Psh! So it's to hit something against something with great force, normally breaking the thing. He dashed the flowers against the table. Pum, pum, pum. The waves dashed against the shore. Bang! They're smashing against the shore. Yeah? I dashed my elbow against a piece of furniture and it really hurts. So to bang something against, to hit something against. Okay, and then let's see. As a dash, the 100-yard dash. This is the 100-meter sprinting. Yeah, so you're dashing. Yeah. I made a dash for the bathroom because I had to go to the toilet. There was a mad dash for the exit at the end of the match. Okay, you know a hyphen, the line, a minus sign. That is a dash. Yeah, dash. Low hyphen, center hyphen, low dash. Also in Morse code, dots and dashes, this line, this hyphen. We could also use a dash to mean a small amount, a little bit of something. It needs a dash of salt. It needs a dash more salt. Just put a dash of chili powder in it or it'll be too hot for them. Yeah, so just a little bit. Just a dash of soda in my whiskey, if you would. Yeah, to add a dash of something, a little bit of it. Her hair was dashed with glittering, with glitter, yeah, with little glittering bits. And then you can also use dash to mean style and confidence. He dealt with this problem with great dash. Yeah, the dash of his speech was really impressive. You even have an adjective dashing, meaning handsome. Yeah, so dash with style and confidence. You can also use dash as an exclamation. Oh, dash it. Oh, dash it. That's terrible. Let's see. Dash is informal, but it's very posh. This is something worthy of Henry. Oh, dash it. You can say this, you're going to sound a bit informal. Dash it, I left my wallet at home, you'll have to pay the restaurant bill. Yeah, and this is dash, yeah? Okay, so that was quite a few to start with. Let's see if I can go on a bit. Yes, if you do something with dash, going back to this style and confidence, with vigour, with clear vigour. After my coffee, I was full of dash, I was full of energy. And also a dash, short for dashboard, the dash of the car, the dash of something, just a shortening of the word dashboard, yeah, as well. Yes, so yeah, something that dashes. So to dash, to run quickly, to leave or depart rapidly, to destroy something by hitting it, by striking it, or by throwing it. He dashed it against the wall. Um, I'd like just a dash of water in my wine. Just mix it, reduce it, make it less strong. Okay, yeah, to sprinkle or to splatter. I dashed water on my face. I threw water on my face. We can also use dash to mean to ruin or destroy. So his hopes of becoming president were dashed in the primary elections. His ambition to become a doctor was dashed when he failed his exams. And then notice also this with dash. You can complete a task hastily. So he dashed off some notes. He did them rapidly. Notice to dash off. He dashed down his food. He dashed it down in 3 minutes. If you dash off your homework, do it quickly. You're going to make some mistakes. Yeah, so don't dash it off, but stop and think about it. Okay, that's certainly quite a collection. Yeah. Let me try going through them again one more time for you. You're going to ask me about the formality of these as well. I would say this is nearly all informal. This is a 4 informality. Maybe the dash meaning to hit something against something is maybe a 5 informality. Anyway, I'm going to go through some meanings and I'll do the formality at the same time. So he dashed into the room. I'd give this a 4.5 informality. I dashed my head against the ceiling, a 5 informality. His hopes were dashed, they were destroyed, maybe a 5 informality again. He dashed down a drink. He dashed off a letter. That's informal. I'd bring that down to something like a 4 informality. He dashed water on his face. The boat was dashed against the rocks. Maybe 4.5 informality again. Okay, put just a dash of pepper in it. I give this a 4 informality, just a tiny little bit. Oh, dash it! I think that's probably neutral formality, but terribly, terribly posh. So you need really to have the voice to go with, oh, dash it. A dash, a hyphen, or dots and dashes in Morse code, or even just the stroke of a pen, a dash. I think that's completely neutral, a 5. So what other dashes were there? Okay, yes. There was he woke up with great dash. He had great vim and vigor. Yeah. This added dash to a dash of chili will add dash to your meal. So a dash, a small bit, 4 will add dash, probably a little bit posh and a little bit old-fashioned, 4.5. The dashboard, the dash, again, something like 4 informality. Okay, so dash, lots and lots of meanings. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dash.